You search for how to buy shares of CF Industries Holdings, Inc. CF Industries is a major nitrogen fertilizer producer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CF. And this video explains the buying process for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can make a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CF to find the stock. Select the result that shows CF Industries Holdings, Inc. to ensure you have the correct listing. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the name CF Industries Holdings, Inc. and the CF ticker to make sure this is the correct asset. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. After execution, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the eToro example used in this video is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps.